Thanks for watching, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech and productivity hacks. If you're looking to streamline your online experience, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you the 10 best Chrome extensions to boost your productivity. From time management to task organization, we've got you covered. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content. Let's get started. Extension 1, Stay Focused. Our first Chrome extension, Stay Focused, is perfect for those who need a little help avoiding distractions. It allows you to set a time limit for specific websites, so you don't find yourself lost in the black hole of social media or news sites when you should be working. It's a fantastic way to stay on track and improve your focus. Extension 2, Grammarly. Grammarly is our next must-have extension. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to improve their writing, Grammarly is a game changer. It checks your spelling and grammar in real time, making sure your emails, reports, and social media posts are always top-notch. Extension 3, Toggle. Time management is key to productivity, and Toggle is here to help. This extension allows you to track your time spent on different tasks, making it easier to identify where your precious minutes go. It's a must-have for freelancers, remote workers, and anyone looking to optimize their daily routine. Extension 4, LastPass. We all have countless passwords to remember, and that's where LastPass comes in handy. This extension securely stores all your passwords, making logging in a breeze. Say goodbye to the frustration of forgotten passwords and wasted time with this fantastic tool. Extension 5, Momentum. For those who want to start their day with a fresh mindset, Momentum is the answer. It replaces your new tab page with a beautiful, inspiring dashboard, featuring your main focus, the time, and a to-do list. It's a great way to set the tone for a productive day. So far, we've covered 5 amazing Chrome extensions that can significantly boost your productivity. But that's not all. We have 5 more incredible extensions to reveal in the next part of this video. Make sure to like this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on the second part of our 10 best Chrome extensions to boost your productivity video. Connect us via social media. Contact us via call or website. Thanks for watching.